Okay guys, uh, welcome to next episode ng ating Pinoy FPV trick series. And sa series na to, sa episode na to, ang i-share ko ngayon ay ang reverse drop dive, no? So familiar naman siguro kayo kung anong meaning ng mga dive pagdating sa FPV drones, no? Ang usual is you're doing it in a split S mode and then you look down, so nagkakaroon ng effect na you're diving a structure, no? So ito yung most common use, no? You climb, split S, then look down and then let your drone drop, then you catch. Okay. So, yun yung madalas natin ginagamit. Now, what I'm sharing is we're gonna do it reverse, no? So, something like this, okay? Climb up, front flip, side roll, and then you just let your drone drop. Okay? So, ulitin natin. This time, nakatingin tayo sa structure, no? So, first, climb up, front flip, roll, and then you focus on the object as you drop down and then catch. Okay? The difference is hanggang sa pagbaba ng drone mo, nakatutok ka dun sa object na gusto mong kunan ng camera. So, sa opinion ko, I find it more cinematic while I am also using split S dive, no? So, may difference sila. When you do split S, as soon as you dive, puro sa ground ka na lang nakatingin sa building, no? The reverse drop dive is from climb, so nakatingin ka sa object, then front flip, roll, and then slightly roll the drone, and then hanggang sa pagbaba ng drone mo, you're focused sa object. Okay? So, madali lang naman ito pag-practice, no? So yung mga importanteng skills lang dito is first mag-practice yung you get used to hang time sa front flips like that. Okay? Don't do it ng mabilis like front flip like that, no? So why? Kasi magko-combine tayo sa front flip ng side roll. Okay? So parang parallel siya, no? Sabay mong gagawin. Throttle, front flip, side roll, and then you go at the back of the object. Yun yung nagiging effect. So let's try this. Try kong mabagal lang, no? So climb, front, side roll, and just let the drone drop like that, and then catch kung sa tingin mo malapit ka na sa ground. Yung pag-catch mo will really depend sa justification mo. So, you really need practice before mo gawin yung pag-climb sa actual structures. Okay? So, ulitin ko. Ang importanteng parts dito is throttle, front flip, side roll, and then let the drone drop. And just before the ground, throttle up para makatch mo or makounter mo yung gravity. Okay? So, maraming applications itong trick na to, no? So, kung sakaling may place na merong buildings na walang tao, you can use this like this one, no? Okay? So, climb up. Pagdating sa tip, front flip, side roll, and then you just let the drone drop, no? Okay? And then, pag malapit na, catch the drone by giving it a full throttle for a second para ma-counter mo yung gravity. Okay? So, you can go on side and then do the front flip and roll and go back at the building and just drop and then catch the drone. Okay? So, I hope na gustuhan nyo to, and kung nakatulong ito sa inyo, please like and subscribe our channel and also follow our page, Mang Jose.
with somebody else. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own